This is how you can check Indonesia's national government debt.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Create content effortlessly. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Pretty much the same thing as most tutorials. We have the website seasickdata.com. This is a more extensive website. As you can see, you see that from 23 to 2024. And if you scroll down, we have a list of different countries. And we even have Indonesia's key series. You can see their tax revenue. You can see the central government's operation and their spending, expenditure, imports, exports, etc. The second website is macrotrends.net. It shows data from 1960 to 2024 or currently. As you can see here, we have graph, bar chart, and more data. Pretty useful website. The third website, excuse me, one of the best websites, usdebtclock.org. As you can see, we're going to scroll down for Indonesia. It's above Ireland and below Greece, and their national debt right here, $641 trillion. Billion dollars, excuse me. And then you can see they have their population and they have their public debt to GDP ratio. Pretty useful website. I'll leave all links down in the description down below. If you found value, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more. I'll catch you in the next one.